Hello, welcome back everybody. Azure Steve here, signing in for another tutorial. Today we will be seeing together how we can configure the static NAT configuration in Cisco router. So without much further ado, let's kick in. So this is our topology that we have created. So we will just go and configure our static NAT configurations. I have assigned all the IP address in all the PCs and this public outside server IP address. So we will just start right away configuring from the router 1. So this is our router 1 and this is our router 2. So let's go to the router 1 and then we'll go to the CLI and then we'll put first the interface IP of each interface IP. So let's go to the enable and we go to the config T. We give interfaces GIG 0/0. IP address of this one is 10.10.10.1, default of 0.0.0. No shut. Okay, the first interface is over. The second interface, so we go to the second interface, that is serial 0/3/0. IP address is public, so 200.200.1, subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Then we have a clock rate, so clock rate is 9600. So no shut. Alright, so let's go to the second router. So second router, we go to the interface once again from here. We go to the enable and we go to the config T, and the second interface is SC0/3/0, and then we give the IP address of this one is 200.200.200.2, subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. No shut. Then we go to the third interfaces. So that is INT GIG 0/0. IP address is 172.16.10.1, subnet mask of 255.255.0.0. No shut. Sorry, no shut. Okay, so now all our interfaces are up. Now we will start configuring our NAT. So we go to this NAT, and then we can also see from this configurations of our topology, this site we will consider as private, and this site where we get internet is a public, and that will be also translated to this server, which is a web server as of now. So we go to this first router, and then we mention here exit once, and then we go to the interface, the first interface, the GIG 0/0, and then IP NAT we mention here inside. Okay, exit once again. We go to the second interface, that is public, so serial SE 0/3/0, IP NAT outside. Okay, so it's done. Now the next is IP NAT inside source static. The inside IP address is 10.10.10.2, and the outside is 200.200.200.1. Okay, the second one is 3, and that fourth IP address is 4. Okay, so now this part we will also give as IP route. So IP route, so we will take this default route 0, then 0.0.0.0, and then this next hop count is this one, so 200.200.200.2. okay, now we give exit, then we copy running, supposed to be copy here, yes, copy running config, and then start up config, enter. So we have saved that. Now we go to this outside router, second router, then we can give here IP route, then here 0.0.0. That's default subnet mask of 0, and then the next hop count of this one is 200.200.1. okay, exit, and then we will give here debug IP ICMP, sorry, ICMP, yes. Now we'll check from here. I'll try to ping the first route, second router 200.200.2. Now we should be getting that. Let's see from second router. Yes, it's trying to translate that. Alright. Now let's try to ping from this system to the server 172.16.10.10.2. let's try to ping. Timeout. Now you can see it's pinging now. Now similarly we will also ping from this router to the inside PC. So here inside PC 10.10.10.2, the first PC, first time, so it's timeout, second time it is going through. Okay, so now we can check the third PC. It's always timeout the first time, yes, so now we can ping, and the fourth PC is pinging. So now our packet is going through and our NAT configuration has been done successfully. So we'll see the packet going through. Yes, it is successful. What about this one here? It's going through. So even the PCs now, it can reach the internet, and they're getting the internet successfully from the web server. So guys, I hope this video has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.